And the race is on. Next big thing in the middle, rushing up by the rail, is Spanish Lover on the federal side, moves out to take the lead. Is Best of Biscuit. Best of Biscuit. Next big thing. Cash, 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 running by the rail, Queen Cuba, Quattro Supra, Spanish Lover, and Caloocan Sprite running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, next big things now the leader. Best of Biscuit down on the inside. Cash, cash, cash is racing in third from the outside. Caloocan Sprite racing in fourth by Sam Trianx Quattro Supra. Spanish Lover and Queen Cuba is now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Next big thing by Sam Tuleng, Cash, 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 and Caloocan Sprite rushing up in the middle by the road Bass of Biscuit, Spanish Lover, and nearing the finish line. Next big thing by Sam Trilangs, and finally the icebreaker. Next big thing, Caloocan Sprite, Spanish Lover, Cash, 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 Quattro Supra, Queen Cuba, and Bass of Biscuit.